Christmas is here, and I know that most of you are confused on what to get your loved ones. So today, I'm going to be helping you with gift ideas for your friends and families who are in love with Korea. Like everything Korea, Korean culture, Korean drama, Korean pop music, Korean fashion. Anything Korea. So today is for those friends and families that are in love with all the K stuff. Gift ideas for them. I'm always of the opinion of finding how somebody feels loved and giving that person the kind of love that the person sees as love. You can be showing somebody love in a certain way and the person will not feel loved because that's not how the person feels loved. And it comes in gifting as well. If you gift somebody the kind of thing the person feels loved on, or the person relates more on, the person will be much more grateful. The person will feel the impact. The person will feel more appreciative towards your gift. Now let's get right into it. The first one is the scented candle. For those that love sweet smell, if you get them scented candles, scented Korean candles, I mean to say, that has this sweet smell, they are really going to love it. Especially when you light the candles in the house. Once they step into their house, they remember it. Lovers of beautiful smell, lovers of perfumes, lovers of people that smell nice are going to love this. If your friends or anybody in your family is a lover of beautiful smell, then scented candle is the way to go. The next one is books on how to learn Korea. If you're not giving them a physical books, you could be ordering an online book. There are so many websites where you can learn Korea, so you could pay for them to learn Korea more. Because any lover of Korea, I believe that person would want to learn the language. So this is one gift that you can gift to your friend or family that loves Korean stuff. The next one is a K-pop or K-drama kit. K-pop or K-drama kits could mean that you have a list of movies that you've aligned for them to watch during Christmas, or list of musics that they love, and then you gift it to them. They're really going to appreciate it. Since it's the holiday period, most of us are going to be looking for things to keep us busy. So for your K-drama lovers, this is one thing to gift them and they'll really appreciate it. You can even inscribe a touch of K-pop stuff on a t-shirt and give to them. They will love it. The next one is for people that love fashion. If your friend or family is a lover of fashion, now here is what to do. There are a lot of skincare products that are being produced in Korea and it's very amazing and effective on a black skin. Example, Butinada. Butinada is a Korean product that is made to fit in for both fair and dark people. So if your friend is a lover of Korean stuff, you could get your friend the Korean makeup, the Korean cleanser, face kit, just stuff that has to do with body care and makeup. They are really going to love it, especially with the fact that it has to do with Korea. Like it has a touch of Korea. It's coming from Korea. It was produced in Korea. They are really going to love it. The next one is for foodies, or should I say people that love good things, because I don't know, liking food, I don't know why you should be called a foodie. Like, if your friend loves food, then this is the right time to get them all these beautiful, amazing, delicious Korean meals like tteokbokki. You can go as far as preparing it for them or taking them to Korean restaurants for them to test the Korean meals. You could book a date or an outing where everyone goes to take whatever Korean meals they've always wanted to try, like the ramyeon, the kimbap, the tteokbokki. Tteokbokki is my way to go meal. So it's a very good thing. You could gift them the food. You could buy them recipe books on how to, or you could even teach them. If you're somebody that doesn't know how to prepare it, then you could buy the recipe book and give to them. Some of it is on YouTube. They can watch just something that has to do with food, or you guys go out and get meals, or just book a day, a total day of you guys doing everything Korean meals. I believe somebody like me is going to like it too, because why not? So it just depends on your personality of the person you want to gift. Everybody loves food, no matter your personality. So why not? If they are Korean lovers, they are going to love it. The next one is a jewelry that has an inscription of Korea, like Korean words like saranghaeyo and the rest. You get, it's also a beautiful one for fashion lovers. Another gift that fashion lovers are going to love is the modern hanbok. You know, they have the traditional hanbok and they have the modern hanbok that is very fashionable. Like anytime you're watching any K-drama and you see anyone on it, it has this beautiful touch. So if you have the money, you should get it for them. They are really going to appreciate it. Another one is a mug. You get, like, for people that love taking tea. Even if you don't like taking tea, it's aesthetic. A mug that has a Korean inscription on it, Korean write-up, all this, you know, Korean stuff. You could get them a mug. They are really going to love it. Then the last one is, I think the most important one, is a tour to Korea. Yeah, you could actually sponsor your friend or family to visit Korea if you have the money. If you don't have the money, you could sponsor their trip, or should I say transport fare, everything concerning them having a beautiful touch of Korea by visiting the Korean Cultural Center, Nigeria, here in Abuja. Yes, so you could pay for their tea fare, you could pay for their tour, you could pay for their travel guide. It just depends on your pocket. So if your pocket allows you to pay for your friend or family's tour outside, why not? But if your pocket allows you to pay for the tour here in Nigeria, because the Korean Cultural Center Nigeria gives you this beautiful sense of being in Korea, especially with the aesthetics that has the Korean sense. They have the Korean traditional house. You would even see the Korean clothing there. You give them that touch of Korea, they are really going to appreciate it. So that is it about gift ideas for Korean lovers. I believe this video was beneficial to you. So don't forget to like and don't forget to leave a comment down below so that we'll get to know that you actually loved this video. Subscribe, comment, and like. See you in my next one. Bye.